In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Revolut Business account for reselling. We'll go from your first search all the way to your dashboard with clear tips to make each screen simple and quick. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut Business. Make sure you're on the official Revolut website before proceeding, then select the option to create an account. You'll be asked to choose your country. Pick the country where your business is registered and double check that Revolut supports it. If you see your country listed, click Continue to move on. Next, choose your legal business type. This could be a sole trader, a limited company, or another structure. Select what matches your registration and how you operate your reselling business. Click Continue. Enter the business email address you want to use for this account and continue. Revolut will send an authorization link to your inbox. Open that email and approve the login to confirm it's really you. Return to the sign-up flow, enter your phone number, select the correct country code, and continue. Type in the verification code you received by text to confirm your number. Create a strong password you'll remember, ideally a unique passphrase stored in a password manager, and continue. Now add your personal details. Enter your date of birth exactly as it appears on your ID, then continue. Provide your residential address, including house number, street, city, and postal code, and continue. Search for your business legal name as it appears on your official records, select it, and continue. You'll then enter your business details, the legal name, your company registration number, such as a company's house number if applicable, and the date of incorporation. These must match your registration documents to avoid delays. Click Continue. Add your business address, city, and postcode. This should match your official records or trading address as requested. Review for typos and continue. You'll now verify your identity. Click Continue. Choose the type of ID you'll use, passport, national ID, or driver's license, and follow the prompts. When asked, start recording the verification video. Hold your ID clearly, keep your face well lit, and follow any on-screen instructions, such as turning your head or reading a short phrase. Submit the video and let the system process your check. After verification is complete, your account will be reviewed and you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard. From here, you're ready to configure your account for reselling, add team members if needed, and prepare to send and receive payments.